Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Solana. We'll do a full update. I mean, in general, not much has changed, all right? So I'm not sure whether I'll continue doing these daily updates on Solana, but for today, we'll still do one, all right? It's Friday, it's the end of the month, so volatility is to be expected, or at least there's a higher probability of it. Apart from that, we haven't got that many big moves for Solana. But there are some interesting things going on, I would say. You can see, for example, that the open interest right here, there's a bit of a divergence. I mean, if you look at the price right here, since let's say the last 2 days, price has been relatively bullish. This is a bit of a bullish market structure. And let me clear this up a little bit more. But then if you look at the open interest right here, this is really a bullish structure, right? So we are actually gaining much more momentum. We had a bit of a drop overnight. That was also with Bitcoin falling down from these highs right here. If you look at this as a consolidation, Bitcoin fell down from its highs. So that also has an effect on Solana, of course. But like I said, purely technically, we are making higher lows and higher highs right here for the last 2 days at least. And the momentum is going up. So I do actually think that there is potential for Solana to break out. It's just very reliant on Bitcoin, all right? Because even though this is the case, I would not necessarily say that this momentum is amazing, all right? If I think about amazing momentum, it's something like this, or it's something like this, or it's something like this. So the open interest, as what it looks like right now, could turn into that. But if it's not that yet, we cannot say that, right? If you know what I mean. Purely fundamentally, I believe Solana is also still doing fine. Total value locked is balancing around balancing on top of $11 billion. So that's great. I believe the decentralized exchange volumes are down a bit, but overall, they are still quite high. All right, so you can see that if we look at Solana right here, what you'll see is that the DEX volumes are down a bit, but the daily transactions and daily active addresses are still going up. So fundamentally, Solana is bullish. Like I said, if we look at the technicals, I'm more bullish than bearish. Now the only thing that we need to get is some sort of bullish confirmation. Bullish technical confirmation. In general, I would love to see Bitcoin get a bit more bullish. All right. I do think, look, Bitcoin technically right now is getting pretty neutral. So I do think that if Bitcoin actually retests that level at 71,200, then I think the momentum that we're seeing for Solana is enough to actually push it above, or at least give it a good chance to push above 195. Because that's ultimately 195 is the main level to break, right? And right now, especially if you look at the 1 hour time frame, we're just kind of consolidating below that level. And I would say, given the fundamentals, given the state of the market, that if we're talking about a breakout, a bullish breakout is most likely. However, that is, like I said, dependent on the state of the market. And that's multiple things. Like I said, that's the fundamentals behind Solana, which I think are good. That's the momentum behind Solana, which I think is good as well. But maybe most importantly, it's how strong Bitcoin is. So if Bitcoin turns bearish, if Bitcoin starts dropping down towards 68,500 again today, which is a possibility, then I don't expect Solana to break out anymore. I think at this moment it's most likely, but like I said, it is dependent on the developments today. All right, so keep your eyes on that, and mainly keep your eyes on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can get some sort of a recovery here, if Bitcoin can gain some momentum here, then I expect Solana to break out soon in the next couple of days. Otherwise, it will just be this consolidation and eventually a bearish breakout down towards 165. So that's what I think you need to know. I'm not sure if I'll cover Solana tomorrow as well. It depends a bit on what happens in the markets, of course. But this is at least what you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care. Have a great weekend in advance and bye.